You notice the wind howling over the weekend?
Absolutely. It caused a lot of drifting in parts of KELOLAND, including in the Sioux Falls area. And as KELOLAND's Kelly Volk reports, that means street crews are busy once again. Kelly?
Hey, good evening, you two. The city of Sioux Falls issued a snow alert early this morning. I went out to the west and northwest parts of town today, which are some of the areas that saw significant drifting. Winter drifted back into Robert Torkelson's neighborhood.
How big were the drifts in your yard, do you know?
Oh, three feet maybe in places.
While he puts his snowblower to work, the city is giving its plows a workout. While you won't find snow drifts in every neighborhood,
you don't have to drive very far outside the core and you really start to see the finger drifts. And then if you come over here on the west side of town, you'll see several streets that have 4, 5, 6 inches of snow.
That's why the city sent out a snow alert.
We didn't make the decision to just do selective areas. We said let's replow the town. Let's push this snow back so we can actually get the streets back to, bare pavement, and we can get ready for the next snow event.
Cotter says it's been an active season since the start of the year.
And the way this pattern is setting up, looks like maybe March is going to be busy as well.
But fortunately for Torkelson, we're at least moving in the right direction.
Have you had your fill of winter yet?
Yes, I'm ready for spring. Yes.
Cotter says once they finish plowing the whole city, they may bring their blower out to areas that had significant drifting. Now, as we mentioned, a snow alert has been issued. If your car is parked in an area where crews are working, you could be ticketed and towed. You can find your zone and a schedule in this story on KELOLAND.com.